extending your mobile phone to the car itself already.
Nano, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, samahan niyo po kami because usually guys, yung mga car players na to are available dun sa mga bagong sasakyan.
Yes.
But nowadays, we believe na talagang importante and necessity na yung pagkakaroon ng mga car players natin.
Especially yung mga hands-free na car players. So it will add on your safety na hindi na tayo mahawak ng phone. At the same time, sa convenience.
Correct. So for today's vlog, pupunta po kami sa Technocars. So it's parts and accessories sa mga cars. If you're looking for these kinds of products, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
My name is Mark Owen Izon. I am the current owner of Technocars. Technocars is a company where we sell car accessories mainly, which includes Android players, dash cameras, DVRs, LED lights, car tinting. We also do car tinting, car alarms. But basically anything related to car accessory, we install them. The business actually started in 2013. It was accidental lang because of a concern in the family business. Wala akong shop sa Manila, so all I can do is ask from a friend, a space that where we can install the player. Naghanap ako ng supplier. From there, the rest is history. I was already supplying. Back then, we started only for Hyundai brands. And then, right after 2015, all the brands na, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Honda, Isuzu, Chevrolet, to name a few, no? But then all the brands, even China brands.
Really?
Right now, we do offer quad-core and octa-core processors. So, paunti-unti, meron na rin naghahanap ng mga octa-core processors. So slowly, customers are asking or inquiring about the octa-core processors. But then the most saleable products are still the quad-cores, mainly because they are actually reasonable in price.
Affordable.
Affordable, yeah. Majority of the players that we supply or we install are from years 2005 and above. Pero if the car has a 2 din, pwede pa rin namin paraanan. If the client really insists na he or she wants an Android player, kahit single din, we can improvise. We offer a 1-year warranty. In terms of the 1-year warranty, we do have parts readily available. We're in for the long haul. We can assure our brand, Technocars, that it's gonna stay in terms of selling other players and other accessories and other services.
Okay, so right now, nandito tayo sa daan to, of course, show you some practical usage ng mga players natin. Of course, with Sir Dong.
No, definitely.
Ayun. So, definitely, one of the important aspect or things when we're driving is safety.
Yeah, that's
And
right,
then sometimes, we need to do some tasks, of course. So, for example, mga calls, sir, yeah.
Subukan natin tawagan yung airmat ko, si Mama, using a hands-free way. So, gagamitin natin yung CarPlay. So, let's try it. Hey Siri, call Mama Weng.
One sec. Calling Mama Wang. Mobile.
Ayun, so yun nga, hindi natin maiiwasan minsan. We have to take important calls or we have to accept some important calls as well while driving. Although you can of course pull over, I mean. So that's one important aspect. Hands-free na tayo ngayon guys, it's important. And then what else, sir? What else? Ano pa yung mga aspect na mga practical applications ng players natin?
One of the many things that the Android player can actually do, our Technocars Android player, is we can actually play some music while driving, hands-free again. So let's try. Hey Siri, play super simple songs on Spotify.
On it. Now playing super simple songs on Spotify.
Pakiramdaman ko rin din, sir. So ayun nga guys, again, sometimes we have company at the back, no? Kasama natin family natin, some kids, and we want them to kumbaga get busy, or we don't want them to get bored during the travel. So you can listen to Spotify or open Netflix, no?
Yeah,
Netflix and
right.
YouTube.
Right.
So you can also use those.
Hey Siri, drive me to the nearest McDonald's.
The closest one I see is McDonald's on Sadie Street.
The good thing about this Android player, even without data, no, we can use offline maps. So that's the good thing about this player. Let's go to an app which is already pre-installed. It's called Here We Go.
Yeah.
That's it. So we just have to type in which location we're heading into. With the technology of the GPS, it will show to us the directions or the turn-by-turn steps on how we can arrive on our destination.
The important term here is hands-free tayo.
Maybe some of you are afraid na may mangyari sa daan when driving. Well, worry no more, because this Android player has a DVR, a front DVR, where we can record the happenings right in front of our car, no? So yan, nakikita nyo naman. It's currently recording, so anything that could happen, any accident, it will record it, and then
Experience natin, no? Before, dash cams look parang pang-aesthetic or pang-forma, but right now I believe it's a need, it's a necessity.
that's right.
We use these contents or these videos as an evidence if ever may mga mangyaringan. That is actually also included sa player natin. Kagandahan dito, yung mga dashcam na available are, again, small screen, but this time you can actually view it from the player itself. Ayan, ang laki. O, di ba?
And what we installed is a 12 LED. Unlike any other shops here in the Philippines, they install only 4 LED, so mas maliwanag yung ating. So let's try.
Wow, what an experience. Thank you so much, Sir Dong, for having us a look of yung mga features ng mga car players natin.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
And finally, we are inviting all car owners and car enthusiasts to visit our store at Technocars, which is located in Fil-Am Friendship Hiway, so you can experience the Android players that we're offering, no? And you would definitely enjoy the hassle-free features of our players, and a lot more. So you can visit us anytime. Be very much willing to give you a quote, and definitely the price is very reasonable. Plus, we guarantee you a 1-year warranty and a lifetime service guarantee.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and again, we are calling all car users or car owners. And yeah, if you want an upgrade of your car experience or additional safety for your cars, make sure to check out Technocars.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Thanks, guys.